Is your 2018-2021 Toyota CHR key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most likely culprit, and replacing it yourself is a simple fix. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. First, locate the seam on the back of the fob. Gently pry it open, starting at the keyring end. Pop out the old battery, noting which side is up, plus. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob back together. Test the buttons from a distance to ensure it's working. This process should only take a few minutes and saves you a trip to the dealership. Always double-check the battery orientation before closing the fob to avoid short-circuiting it. User error is the main cause for failure, so be patient and avoid rushing. While aftermarket batteries work, OEM batteries are recommended for best reliability. Recycle the old battery at an electronics center. If problems persist after replacement, there may be a deeper issue. Keep in mind, hybrid models have shown to cause faster battery drain due to telematics. Consider a reprogramming workaround via OBD2 scanner. By following these tips, you can ensure a smooth and successful battery replacement for your Toyota CHR key fob.